Hello everyone, this is a GPRS based street light control panel of Agromation India Private Limited. This control panel controls the distribution pole, that is DP, of the street lights, which can take the load of 6 kilowatts in single phase and 12 kilowatts in 3-phase connection. We will see the working of this control panel. This is auto manual provision is there, so if there is any issue in GPRS connectivity and anything, then the user can control by manually. This provision is given. This is 3-phase supply input. We will see the inside first. This is input of supply, that is RYB and neutral. This is output RYB neutral. We have connected the MCB, which can be select as per the load, 32 amperes, 16 amperes, anything. And this is contactor. This is Agromation India street lamp controller, which is GPRS based. We need to insert one SIM card in that. We will insert the SIM card. We are using Idea SIM card. You can use any SIM card of Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, 2G, 3G, 4G. The SIM card needs the GPRS connectivity or GPRS recharge in that. Data should be available in SIM card. We have inserted the SIM card. This master controller is of IP65 grade, that is waterproof. These are the LEDs and auto manual switch, on switch, off switch. This is all, and this input is given from this side. We will on this MCB, and supply will be available in that control panel. The output are connected, load RYB, that is 3-phase, and this is neutral. We have connected the 500 watts bulb to show the demo. This is 500 watts bulb. Initially we will start the supply right now. Started the supply. It needs 20 to 30 seconds to connect GPRS. We have to wait if we want to control from it by internet. And by auto manual switch, if it is in manual mode, then this is manual on. You can see the bulb, it is on. This is very low load we have given right now, and this is manual off. And I am putting it in auto mode. Yes, this is in auto mode. After 20-30 seconds it will connect to internet, and if the previously street light is in auto mode, on mode, then it will automatically switch on the street light, and if previously it is on off mode, then it will not on the street lights. We will see the user interface of this street light control panel. In Google Chrome we have to type the sl.agromationindia.com. Yes, enter. For demo, actually this is already logged in. I will log out initially. Log out. Username. This is password. Enter. Whenever you enter your login ID password, then total number of devices 99, online devices, offline devices, and faulty devices. It will show the total count. In devices section, you can choose any number of device. You can give the names also, streetwise names. This is 84 number device. 84. Yeah, I entered in 84th number of device. This is the control panel. Yeah, this is switch 1, 2 and 3. 3 relays are available in that controller, and that's why these are the 3 options: turn on. 3 relays. Also the R voltage, Y voltage and B voltage against neutral. The voltage is 242, 242 and 244. These are the voltages, and currents are 0 because street light is off. If we want to on the street light, you can click turn on. It is on. Yeah, you can see the bulb. It is on. This bulb indicates the on condition of street light, and this is off condition. Yeah, this is on, and you can see the currents also of every phase, R, Y, B, all three phases. How much current that bulbs or street lights consuming, this will show you online. Yeah, if you want to off, you can off it from here. It will off within a second, and the current will become 0. Same we can do from mobile also. I will show the mobile from mobile controlling also. This is street light. I entered this website, 84 number device, 84. Same values it will show in mobile also. You can see the same values and same user face will be shown in mobile also. Yeah, then we will see the scheduling system. We can schedule whole year for that DP or that master controller from a laptop or a mobile. Scheduling. This is November month. Initially we have to fetch the data from device. I clicked on fetch device. We don't have save the timings for this month. That's why it is showing blank. For 3rd November, today's date. If I select the start time, say in morning 10:38, end time 10:45. Apply this for every day of this month. We can set the 4 slots per day, 4 slots per day. We can see the timing 10:38 to 10:45 AM. Update. Now it is showing the timing for every day of this month, that is 10:38 to 10:45. If you want to save these timings for every day of year, then we can set it by monthly. Actually in winter, summer, day timings are changing in every season. That's why we can set the timings month wise. This is November month. Yeah, page data. Month, weekly, you can also set the timings. This is configuration. Fetch from device. Page data will show the actual settings that are set in master controller. I will click on fetch from device. These are the settings for connectivity, website, port, username, password, everything, and these are the analog limits. So if we want cutoff in under voltage and over voltage, as well as in under current and over current, that is low current, high current, then we can set the limit here. For our phase, I am setting it to 10 volts, that is lower limit, and maximum limit to 50 volts, for example, and update. This is updated. This is 210 and 250. These are the voltages set for the limits. Also, we can download the report of last year or last 2 years. Data will be saved on server, so that we can download the report for a month, year, or 2 years, 3 years. We can save that data. This is all regarding street light GPRS control panel. For more queries, please contact us. Thank you.